This is kind of a fix everything in your car kit, and for a reasonable price. You have all the tools you need to fix any kind of problem. When it comes to tires, here are all your tire plug-in tools, even a tire gauge, your plugs, more valve stems, and all the things you need to fix the valve stems. Get this open for you. Oops. Trying to do too many things with not enough hands. Lubricant. Inside there, petroleum lubricant. First aid kit, tow strap. You know, how many times have you gotten stuck and you know, somebody's willing to help, but they don't have a tow strap? There's a good solid tow strap. Needle nose pliers, a cutter, valve stem tool, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, two most common lug sockets, a breaker arm, screwdrivers, even a highly reflective vest. And on the back of this is a reflective triangle, so you can set the case down and warn oncoming traffic. Even a nice pair of work gloves. So really perfect gift for the wife's car, your own car, your kids' cars, and complete instructions on how to do anything you need. So highly recommend. Excellent safety device for your car. Cheers.